Okay, everyone, so management asked us to get together and come up with a theme for this year's party. So I'm going to open up to the floor. Any ideas? Let's do a sea-themed party, right? Sharks. Everyone loves sharks. A shark party. I hate sharks.
And you know what we'll do? Is we'll have pirates. Pirates riding sharks.
Can we pause real quick? What's the point of this party?
It's a climate change awareness party.
Oh, I love climate change. No. I hate climate change. Sorry, guys.
No. It's just a fall festival. Pumpkins. Done.
Oh, I love that idea. Oh, and pumpkin spice and pumpkin pies. I mean, everybody loves pumpkins.
I hate pumpkins. That's not gonna work. Okay, fine. Ghosts. We'll make it a Halloween pumpkin party. Done.
Wait, when is this party? I think we should know the date before we just say Halloween party.
That's a good question. It's just before Thanksgiving.
That sounds great. I think we can really come up with a good idea.
Thanksgiving's a loaded holiday. Not all of us have things to be thankful for.
Okay. What if we do just ghosts holding pumpkins?
I love that idea.
And then, I know, we'll smash the pumpkin.
Is this gonna be indoors or outdoors?
I think it's important that we know the place before we just start smashing pumpkins.
Wait, let's actually get smashing pumpkins to play at the party.
That's impossible. They don't travel. I've checked.
Wait, pause. Do we even have a budget? I think we need to figure out the budget
Okay,
first.
hold on. So we have pumpkins, we have ghosts, we have smashing pumpkins.
Everyone loves smashing pumpkins. Mm-hmm.
Wait. Are we talking about the 90s rock band Smashing Pumpkins or literally smashing pumpkins? I don't think we can have a party. Nobody's gonna show. We have way too much work to do.
Okay, then we'll give flamethrowers to all the guests to light the pumpkins.
Hold on. Is this party for the employees or is it for their families? People don't like kids.
Yeah, this is supposed to be a family event.
So no kids.
Are we feeding people? And if so, they can eat the pumpkins.
I can make really good pumpkin pie. I'll bring pumpkin pie.
And I think what we can do is we can tie the pumpkin pie back to climate change, and we can tell people that if they like pumpkin pie, they need to pay attention to what's happening with climate change.
Nobody really likes pumpkins, all right? It's just a way for corporate America to get your money before the holidays.
Guys, this isn't a holiday or a Christmas party.
I love Christmas. I think that is a great idea. We'll have a Christmas party.
People are already too busy. They're not going to party.
Excuse me, sorry, I have to ask. Is this a holiday party now? And so then we get Santa to give a speech about how the North Pole is literally melting because of climate change.
Won't work. Not enough people believe.
Wait, what? So what you're saying is this is all a hoax? Santa isn't real?
Wait. Guys, we are way off track. So why don't you all take a break and I'll just plan this year's party, okay?
Well, this was a great brainstorming session, guys. Thank you.
So are we done with the planning party now?